Take a look at this video, this one, and also this one. They all have one thing in common. They're using the VOX style animation. You can start a finance niche, documentary niche, and true crime niche using this paper animation, which is very easy to create. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can automate the process using one AI tool to do everything. In fact, take a look at the VOX style animation that I was able to create in less than 15 minutes.
October 1907, New York City. Wall Street was collapsing. Banks were failing. Frightened crowds demanded their savings, and the United States had no central bank to stop the panic. Then one man stepped in, J.P. Morgan. From his private library in Manhattan, Morgan summoned America's most powerful bankers, examined their finances, and decided which institutions would survive. He organized emergency loans, moved millions of dollars into the banking system, and even locked financiers inside his library until they agreed to a rescue plan. The strategy worked. Confidence returned, and the financial system began to stabilize. But Morgan's intervention exposed a disturbing reality. America's economy had become dependent on one unelected banker. His power helped end the crisis, but it also convinced lawmakers that the country could never again rely on a single private citizen.
So grab your cup of coffee, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you want me to make more videos like this. The first step is to come up with your idea and script. To make this easy for you guys, I've created 3 important PDF prompts to create the VOX style animation. First is the ideation and script. Second is the image prompt generator. Then the third is the editorial paper animation prompt. I'm going to add all these PDFs to my free Telegram community. All right? So to come up with your idea and script, what you need to do is log into Abacus AI. You will get the link in the video description below. The first thing you need to do is click on the plus icon over here and make sure you select Upload from your computer. Select the first PDF, which is the ideation and script prompt. So now that you have it here, you need to type in something very simple. I want to make a finance documentary. If you want to make a true crime video, all you need to do is make sure you change this word and probably give a sample of the kind of videos you want to be making. Once you have something like this, you come down to the model here and choose your preferred AI chat model. For me, I prefer going with GPT-Soil. You can go with Claude Fable 5, but GPT-5 gives me exactly what I want, so I'm going to be going with that. So once you have that selected, click on the Generate button, and the AI is going to give you 10 video ideas. What you just need to do is go through them and pick one. So for me, I'm going to be going with J.P. Morgan, so I'm going to be selecting it here. So just go through the video ideas and choose the number. So if you want to go with number 2, put number 2 here. Number 3, just go through them and input the number you want the video on. Then the next thing it's going to ask you is how long you want your video to be. You can choose 30 minutes or 1 hour, but for me, I'm going to be choosing 1 minute because I'm just explaining how to create these videos. Okay, all right, so as you can see, I have a 1-minute script here, so the ideation and script section is done. The next thing we need to do now is to import our next PDF, which is the image generation prompt. Before you click on Generate, you need to write something. So just write something like, "Give me scene prompt." Click Generate, and it will immediately start giving you prompts you'll use to generate your images. The next thing to do now is to generate your images, and I'm going to teach you how you can bulk create them. What you just need to do is, first of all, highlight the prompt and copy it. Now come to the tab here, right-click on it, and duplicate it without closing this chat, because we are still going to come here to generate our animation prompt and also our voiceover. So don't close this tab. Now that you have the tab duplicated, what you just need to do now is come to Image Video here, click on it, and then it's going to bring you to the Abacus AI Studio. And this is where we're going to be generating our visuals and also the motion. So the first thing we need to do is to paste the prompt here. So once you have your prompt here, come down to where you see Auto here, and make sure you change it to Nano Banana Pro. I tried using GPT Image, but it's not just giving me a good result like Nano Banana. Next, click on Auto here, and make sure it changes to 16:9. So once you're done with all that, just click on the Generate button here. Immediately, Abacus AI is going to go through your prompt and generate all your images at once. As you can see here, I have 12 images, and it took about 1 minute to generate all of them. This is the exact step you need to follow. You don't need to generate these images one after the other. You can just bulk generate them. Easy. Alright, so now we have our images. The next thing is to animate these images. So let's go back to our first chat. Once you're here, first click the plus icon and upload the editorial paper animation prompt. Then type something simple like, "Give me the animation prompt for each scene." Click on Generate. Immediately, it's going to provide you with your scene animation prompt. Highlight all the animation prompts and copy them. Now go back to the chat where you generated all your images and paste that prompt here. Scroll down to Image here, click on it, and change it to Video. Then come to Auto, here, click on it, and choose your preferred AI video generator. VEO3 creates these videos very well. It adds a lot of sound effects and motion to it, which makes it very nice. And also Seedance 2.0. For this video, I'm going to be going with Seedance 2.0. If you don't have much credit, you can go with Gemini Onion Flash. The next thing is to select the duration. For videos like this, you need to leave it at 8 seconds to get the best result. For the aspect ratio, you need to leave it at 16:9 and then change your resolution to 720p to get the best quality. Once you're done with all this, you can now click on the Generate button here. Immediately, Abacus AI is going to first of all use all the images you first generated as reference to start generating your videos. All you just need to do is sit, wait, and all your images are going to be converted to video, just like what you're seeing here. What you just need to do now is click on the download button here to download the clips onto your device. Alright, so the next thing we need to do now is to generate our voiceover, and to do that, it's very simple. Just go back to the first chat you opened where you generated your idea and script, and also all your prompts, and come down and type, "Give me the narration." Copy the narration, click on Image to Video to go back to Abacus AI Studio. Paste your narration here and come down to where you see Image. Click on it and change it to Speech. So once you've changed that, come to Auto and make sure you change it to Text to Speech. So you can come down here and choose your preferred text-to-speech provider. For me, I go with 11 Labs. So when you select that, come to Flash, click on it, and make sure you change it to 11 Labs V3 for the best sounding voice. So once you're done with that, just click on the Generate button here to generate your voiceover. Once it's done generating your voiceover, come to these 3 dots at the side here, click on it, and then you're going to see the download button. Alright, so we have the clips and the voiceover. The next thing we need to do now is to put everything together, and to do that, we are going to be using the Abacus Video Editor here to make everything simple for us. So just click on the import icon here and select all the videos you generated in Studio, and also don't forget to import the voiceover as well. Now that you have all your generation here, what you just need to do is to first of all add the voiceover into the timeline, then start adding your animations one after the other. You need to make sure you listen to the voice to know exactly where you need to place each clip, just like what I've done here. Once you're done arranging all your clips, you can just click on Export here to download the video to your device. I just showed you guys the easiest way to create VOX-style animation. If you want to try Abacus AI, use the link in the pinned comment below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.